Welcome guys. Today I'll be taking you through the behind the scenes of how I shot this bride, as well as sharing my tips for taking detailed photographs of a bride and each and every moment from the makeover to the accessories and the bride on her wedding dress. Please hit the like button and notification bell. I start by taking out the dress and the accessories. I placed the dress on the surface in an environment that's not too well lit. Here's the before the dress goes on to the bride. Then I placed the shoes and other accessories on the flat surface, lights raised above to achieve a well lit shoe and other. While she has her makeover done, I took some few shots just to add to the compilations of what I've already shot. Then after the makeovers, I started by taking up a few close-up portraits of the bride so as to get the beauty of her makeup, the details of how the makeup were on her facials. Afterwards, I went on to take full portraits of her seated with her wedding dress while directing her on the required poses I needed to achieve a very beautiful shot. I also made the bride switch seats for a free flow of her dress. We went on to take some portraits of the bride also standing on the hallway of this hotel we were at. Here I directed her on some creative poses. These were the few tips I actually applied shooting the bride before she walked down the aisle on her big day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment in the box. Most importantly, please subscribe to this channel as I keep bringing you value for your photography skill. See you next time and bye for now.